If you are trying to get your address from Leap Wallet to show up in your Kepler wallet under the Coreum mainnet address. Provided by Rize Earnwise Validator. Securing the Coreum blockchain, continually rewarding delegators. Stake with Rize Earnwise today and earn back your validation fees. Hello everyone. If your address does not match the address from your Leap wallet, even though you used the same secret seed phrase, then you'll have to go into Kepler wallet. Follow along closely. First, open the link listed here, also listed in the description. A page made by Coreum will open up. You can come here for any of these listed wallets. You can choose one of the other wallets and follow instructions as needed, but not to worry. We will be coming out with videos for each of these. Go into your Kepler wallet, click your networks, scroll down and click any network except Coreum mainnet or Coreum. I will click Coreum testnet. Networks will close. Click Networks to reopen networks. Scroll to bottom and click on the X to remove Coreum mainnet. This cute little box comes up. Click Yes to continue. Once you have it deleted, you can click Connect to Coreum mainnet 1. Now click Approve in the Kepler pop-up box. Once you approve, you will see some changes happen to the Connect to Coreum mainnet 1 button you had previously pressed. Proceed to your Kepler wallet, click to open, click Networks. Scroll to bottom and click Coreum mainnet. If you had a problem with an incorrect address from Leap to Kepler, you will get an options box that appears. Click on the M44990 option that will match your Leap wallet address. Click Select Account and boom, you should be good to go. If you made a boo-boo along the way, just remove Coreum mainnet again and refresh the Coreum document page. Then of course, follow along closely so you're not getting mad at your little screen. Thank you for watching and listening. Like, comment, and subscribe. And to support more videos like this, please stake with Rize Earnwise Validator. We'll continue to make easy-to-use videos for you to follow and connect with all of your apps. Stake with Rize Earnwise and support community-based validators.